Let's begin with some breaking updates coming in. A letter detailing the guidelines for temple trusts under the Himachal Pradesh Hindu Public Religious Institutions Charitable Endowment Act 1984 has surfaced, which outlines the procedure for contributing to government welfare schemes. The document states that temple trusts can fund the Mukhyamantri Sukh Ashray Yojana and the Sukh Shiksha Yojana, provided contributions are approved in the trust meetings and sanctioned by the Chief Commissioner. Now, Times Now has accessed this letter where the district administration is asking the temple trusts, and these temple trusts have been asked to contribute funds. So while the government maintains that this follows legal provisions, there's a controversy that has broken. My colleague Poonam is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Poonam, what does the notification say? Have the temple trusts been asked to give their funds or divert their funds towards the government? What are the details?
Yeah, the Special Secretary of Art, Culture and Language has issued a letter to all the DCs of Himachal Pradesh. There are 12 districts in Himachal Pradesh, and all the DCs have been issued a letter that you have to, letter has been issued, and in this letter clearly it has been mentioned that you have the funding is needed for the Sukh Ashray Yojana and Sukh Shiksha Yojana, which has been...
So imagine the situation of the government, and these are the funds that have come in from the devotees. I request you to stay with us. Mr. Jairam Thakur is joining us on the broadcast. Good morning and thank you for joining us. Mr. Jairam Thakur, what do you have to say about this notification that has asked the temple trust to divert funds for the government?
देखिए, बहुत ही एक विचित्र स्थिति है. हिमाचल प्रदेश की सरकार पिछले कई दिनों से ऐसे फैसले ले रही है जिससे जगहंसाई भी हो रही है, और अभी तो इस नोटिफिकेशन के बाद तो ये मालूम पड़ता है कि सरकार के पास बचा ही कुछ नहीं है. जो सरकार, जो नेता कांग्रेस पार्टी के सनातन के खिलाफ पानी पी पी करके कोसते हैं, कुंभ का, महाकुंभ के स्नान का विरोध करते हैं, बहुत घटिया भद्दी टिप्पणियां करते हैं वहां की व्यवस्थाओं को लेकर के, वहां जाने वाले लोगों के बारे में, वहां के आयोजन के बारे में. और ये मुख्यमंत्री हिमाचल प्रदेश के, ये तो इन्होंने तो जब सत्ता में आए थे तो पहला स्टेटमेंट इनका ये था कि मैं उस राज्य से मुख्यमंत्री बन करके आया हूं जहां 97% हिंदू हैं, हिंदूवादी पार्टी को हरा करके आया हूं, ये बोला था इन्होंने. और आज उन्हीं मंदिरों से जो सरकार के नियंत्रण में हैं, जहां पैसा मंदिर के श्रद्धालु मंदिर में आकर के श्रद्धालु चढ़ाते हैं, उस पैसे को सरकार की स्कीमों को चलाने के लिए खर्च करने के लिए कह रहे हैं. यानी कि आप सीएम रिलीफ फंड के लिए पैसा लेते हैं, समझ में आती बात. आप पैसा, कहीं हादसा हो गया, कोई बाढ़ आ गई, नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, उस वक्त लोगों की मदद करने के लिए करते. कोई महामारी जैसे कोविड जैसी फैली तो उस वक्त समझ में आता कि भाई वहाँ मदद करने के लिए लोग, जो गरीब लोग हैं उनको मदद करने के लिए, बीमार लोग हैं उनकी मदद करने के लिए. लेकिन ये सरकार की योजना है, सुखाश्रय और सुख शिक्षा योजना, दो सरकार की योजनाएं हिमाचल प्रदेश में अभी तक 2 सालों में इन्होंने शुरू की थी, जो चल ही नहीं पाई है, सही मायने में चल ही नहीं पाई है. अब ये स्थिति हो गई कि उनको चलाने के लिए सरकार की योजनाओं को मंदिर और ट्रस्ट का पैसा लेकर के उनको आगे बजट देने का प्रावधान करना, ये आज से पहले कभी हुआ नहीं है. और बजटेड स्कीम है, बजट जो किया गया है इसके लिए, उसका प्रावधान कहाँ रखा है? वो बजट कहाँ गया? वो पैसा खर्च हो गया. इसका मतलब ये है कि सरकार के पास बिल्कुल ऐसी स्थिति आ गई कि बिल्कुल पैसा है ही नहीं, और सनातन के खिलाफ बोल करके सनातन का ही पैसा, श्रद्धा जहां सनातन के प्रति लोगों की है, उनका ही पैसा खर्च करके अपनी योजना को चला रहे हैं.
Acha, all right. Jairam Thakur ji, thank you for joining us. So the BJP is saying, look at the Congress government. The Congress has been abusing Sanatan day in and day out. They've been raising questions on Kumbh. On the other hand, in Himachal, look at the situation. To fund their schemes, they're asking the temple funds to be diverted towards these yojanas of the government. So big breaking updates coming in from Himachal Pradesh, a controversy that is likely to escalate as well. Let's tell you what this notification really says, and let me read from this. This is a notification that Times Now has accessed, and look at the date. It says very clearly 29th of January 2025. So the notification has been issued on the 29th of January, and here's what it says. This is to say that the government of Himachal Pradesh and Social Justice and Empowerment Department has launched Mukhyamantri Sukh Ashray scheme with notification number. The numbers have been given. The objective of this scheme is to provide better opportunity to the children, especially often single and destitute women, and to the elderly. These groups are generally isolated, neglected, vulnerable, and they are in need of care and protection. So they're talking about the scheme and significance of the same as well. And after that, going on to say that taking its commitment and concern further for fostering equality and ensuring the holistic development of women and children and the state of Himachal Pradesh. So in detail, writing about what the scheme is about. Now, you know, the details that have been given very clearly speak about what it's about, what the scheme is about. But this is where the controversy comes in these pages. It says the various temple trusts functioning under the Himachal Pradesh Hindu Public Religious Institutions Charitable Endowments Act 1984 keep making contributions for charitable activities and welfare schemes run by the state government. While making these charitable contributions, the temple trust may make contribution towards the Mukhyamantri Sukh Ashray Yojana as well as the Mukhyamantri Sukh Shiksha Yojana with a view to provide fund for the above mentioned welfare schemes. So this is where they're asking the temple trust to actually donate to ensure that the government schemes can function. And it says here the following guidelines are issued for making contributions. So this is a contribution that they're asking from the temple trust and saying that there are guidelines for it, and details have been given here. My colleague Poonam continues to stay live with us with the details. Poonam, this is very surprising and a political controversy breaking out. BJP saying the Congress party is raising questions on Sanatan time and again. And today you have the Himachal government asking for funds from temples for funding their schemes, the government schemes. What's happening?
Yeah, obviously BJP is clearly mentioning that always Congress is opposing Sanatan Dharma, and now they are asking fund from the temple, and that's for their own schemes. Now this is very shocking for the BJP also, that you are starting your own scheme, Sukh Ashray Yojana. That is, you have no right to take funds from the temple. That is, BJP is always saying and targeting Congress also, and Congress party BJP is also saying that they are also asking DCs of the Himachal, 12 districts are there, and 36 temple comes under DCs, and they're always pressurizing the officials that you have to give fund for this yojana like Sukh Ashray Yojana, and another is Sukh Shiksha Yojana, and fund should be given as soon as possible. Now BJP is targeting that on the one side you are opposing Sanatan Dharma, and on the other side you are taking fund from the temple. Now this is not the way. And one thing also that BJP is targeting, that this is your own scheme, this is government scheme, this has nothing to do with the public, and the temples fund is meant for the public. Temples fund is meant for the emergency, like during pandemic also. I just want to tell one thing also, that during BJP government also funding was given by the temples, but that's so during COVID. So Jairam, opposition leader, is continuously saying that you can only ask fund from the temple during emergency and during pandemic and during drought and other such emergency or in public, but you can't ask fund from the temple for the schemes that you are starting on your own.
Okay, all right. In fact, we have reactions from the BJP coming in after this notification was issued by the Himachal government. The BJP taking a pot shot at the Congress government, slamming the government over this notification. Listen in.
एक तरफ सनातन का विरोध कर रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ देखिए परिस्थिति ऐसी है कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में सरकार ने हाल ही में एक फैसला लिया है कि सरकार के पास पैसे नहीं हैं। सरकार के एक विभाग के सेक्रेटरी डिप्टी कमिश्नर को चिट्ठी लिखते हैं कि मंदिरों और ट्रस्ट में जो पैसा है, जो सरकारी नियंत्रण में हिमाचल प्रदेश में लगभग 36 टोटल मंदिर हैं, उन मंदिरों और ट्रस्ट में जो पैसा है उस पैसे को सरकार के खजाने में जमा कर दें, ताकि हिमाचल प्रदेश की दो योजना, एक सुख आश्रय योजना और सुख शिक्षा योजना, ये दो योजनाओं को चलाने के लिए हम उस पैसे को खर्च कर सकें। मैं समझता हूं ये बहुत दुखद है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
So the BJP is saying, look at the state of affairs in Himachal Pradesh. You have made the announcements for the schemes and you're wanting the diversion of funds from the Temple Trust. And TAMSNA has also accessed this notification that has been issued to the Temple Trust asking them to actually divert the funds towards the government to fund their schemes. So this notification has been issued on the 29th of January, and this gives the details and the guidelines for the Temple Trust under the Himachal Pradesh Hindu Public Religious Institutions charitable endowments, outlining the procedure for the contributions that need to be made. Big story. We're also expecting a lot more political reactions to come in. Poonam, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll continue coming back to you for those updates.